Hello and welcome to Excalibur. In this video, I will show you how you can use the inbuilt camera function in Excel and make use of it. No, it's not the camera which will take your pictures, but yes, it is a camera which will take the picture of your data on Excel. In this video, we will not see how to insert images into Excel, but there is a different way by which we can use the camera feature and get snapshots of our data that is in some particular cells. So let's see how this works. First step is to get that camera option inside your Excel, which does not come by default. So what we do is we do a right click on the top bar and click on customize the ribbon. Okay, so once you do it, your Excel options window will be displayed. Here you have to go to the all commands menu, okay, which will list all the commands, and either scroll down or type a C, which will take you closer, and here you'll find the camera, right? So take this camera, and here now what we have to do is we have to add the camera to one of our tabs, right? So either we could do it on the home tab, insert tab, or any other tab, or else we could also create a new tab. So let me also show you how to create a new tab. The new tab that we'll create will be shown here with the next with the existing tabs. Okay, so I click on the new tab button, and here you see my new tab is created. I can rename this tab to, let's say, camera. Okay, and now I select the camera and click on the add button. So it says command needs to be added to custom groups. So to create a group, pick a tab in the list and create a new group. So basically I have to click on this new group now. Again the same thing, and you see that the camera is added to this new group. Then I click on the OK button, and now you see I get this camera tab, and it has a new group with the camera button. I could also rename the new group if required. Right, so let's proceed further. Now we have got this camera option, how to use it. So I got two sheets here which have some data, right? So let's try to use the camera option first on one of the sheets. Let's say I want to see this information again, okay, using the camera in some of the cells here. So what I can do is I can select the cell, click on the camera button, and once I select this area, this information, the cell that I had selected, would be shown here, right? So now this is a smart image of what cell I have selected or what data I have selected here. So if I change this now, you see that the data here will be updated. So it's a smart image, it's not a static image. So it will update the contents of this image based on the values that is set here. The other advantage of this is that you could expand and see it in a bigger picture. Okay, so that's the way the camera function works. Now let's see the other option. I'll delete this. I'll go ahead and select multiple cells in this case now, right? And then go to the camera, click on the camera function, and do it like this. So you see now multiple cells are coming here, and all these cells are smart in the same fashion. So it takes a yes, right? So this way you could also do it with multiple cells. Now another benefit of the camera is, for example, we had two sheets and this is some data, and in this sheet you want to see the details of the if the child has paid the fee or not. You could select all this data, go to camera, select the camera, and then come on to the other sheet and paste the data here. So you see the data from the other sheet is also being shown up here, and it will be also updated if I, let's say, change something here, and this data gets changed here as well. So that is the way you could also use the camera function on multiple sheets. So it's up to you how to use the most effective way in which you want to represent the data using the camera function. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel Excalibur. Thank you very much.